Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. We are make a rolling thing with the help of this sheet, and after rolling it you can see that how perfectly they are being attached on this. After attaching them on this yellow sheet, you can see that we have obtained a very cute animal with the help of this paper. Take a glass and insert a cell inside it. After placing the cell in it, you simply have to make him stable. After making it stable, place eyes and then ears on the front top. Now draw the face and see how the rolling effect takes place. Take another glass and make a hole in it. Place a straw, and after it you can see how this game works. Note the dimensions and cut this sheet into the parts as shown. Now after making this, you simply have to make a hole and then insert inside it. After inserting it, you can see that what we have made. On a sheet you have to fold it like this. After folding it like this, you simply have to see that how perfectly we have obtained this pattern. After obtaining this, you can see the end result. Take a yellow sheet and start folding it into the desired manner. After folding it, you have to just note the movement of these fingers and see what you have obtained at last. As you can see, we have to tap the edges in a firm position, and this is flying very high. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.